Hi, my dear budding pharmacist. I am Dr. M.D. Kharia, a retired professor of Dr. H.S. Gaur Central University, Sagar, Madhya Pradesh, with experience of teaching and research of nearly 40 years in pharmacognosy and phytochemistry. Today, I will be discussing with you on a very interesting and important topic which relates to volatile oils. Now, before going to the volatile oils, first it is very important actually to know what are essential oils. So, I will be starting actually with the introduction of essential oils. Friends, I am sure every one of you may be aware of good fragrance or smell of rose, tulsi, pudina, that is mint, and fennel, that is saunf, and some of you must have experienced the good smell of some of other body sprays. You will be surprised to know that the smell present in nearly all above is due to the presence of volatile oils in them. Now, let us have a closer and detailed look on this interesting class of constituents. So, first of all, we will be starting actually with the definition. What are definitions means? We will define actually what are essential oils, what are volatile oils. So, volatile oils are the odoriferous or odorous principles of plant and animal origin which emits aroma or smell. They are called volatile oils as they volatilizes even at normal temperature. They are called essential oils as they comprise of or represent the essence or the main ingredients of or main principles of plants or animals. They are also called ethereal oils as they behave like ethers, meaning thereby that these substances evaporate even at normal condition of temperature. Now, what is the importance of volatile oils to the human beings? Volatile oils which are rich in terpenoids are also called as oxygenated terpenes, are of high quality and significance to human beings in following ways. 1. As general agents. As general agents, the volatile oils are used as perfumes, as cosmetics, as air purifier in the form of incense sticks, as deodorants, as sprays and fumigants. They are also used as flavor in food, beverages, that is in drinks, including the alcoholic drinks. Then pharmaceuticals, they have got the use actually in confectionery, in making the biscuits and cakes, etc. In essential oils and volatile oils are also used as a personal hygiene in soaps, in body sprays, in hand wash and hand sanitizers, as sanitizers for cleaning walls, floors and toilets, as preservatives. Preservative action is due to their antibacterial and antifungal action. They are also used as a therapeutic agents. As therapeutic agents, they are used as antiseptic agents to kill the bacteria. For example, the eucalyptus oil and lemongrass oil are used for this purpose. They are also used to overcome or to kill the fungi, and oils are commonly used for this purpose. The volatile oils also used as a carminative. The umbelliferous fruits are used as a carminative. The cinnamon, cardamom, ajwain, that is known as thyme, are used as common carminative agents, and under umbelliferous fruits, the fennel, caraway and dill are common, which are used as a carminative agents. The volatile oils are also used as anthelmintic, and the important example for this category is chenopodium oil. They are also used as a insect repellent or insecticide and pesticides, and for this purpose citronella oil is commonly used. Volatile oils are also used as stimulant or appetizers, and for this purpose asafoetida and ginger are used as such, or they are oleoregents for this particular purpose. The volatile oils are also used as analgesics, and for this purpose the clove oil is used as such in dental problems and as an ingredient of tooth powders, toothpastes, and in some mouthwashes for oral hygiene. The volatile oils are also used as anti-rheumatic agents, for which wintergreen oil is used. They are also used as irritant, and the example is turpentine oil. They are also used as counter irritant, as anti-inflammatory agents, and the examples of this category of volatile oils are wintergreen oil and turpentine oil. Now, apart from this, we should also know that what is the importance of volatile oils to the plants or the trees from which they are derived. So, the volatile oils, they repair the injury caused to the plants or trees by not allowing the microbial growth and thus protecting the plants from death or destruction. They repel the insects, the pests and the animals which may cause damage to plants, and thus the essential oils used as a protecting agents to the plants. Apart from this, the volatile oils, they attract the pollinating agents like the insects for inducing the pollination. They also attract actually the bees and the butterflies for the formation of the seeds and fruits, and thus helping in survival of plant species and thus the survival of the whole plant kingdom. Now, we will have a look into the properties of the volatile oils, and under this, first of all, we will see actually what are the physical and organoleptic properties of the volatile oils. First is the solubility, and volatiles are highly soluble in petroleum ether, in solvent ether, alcohol, some other organic solvents and in lipids. But volatile oils are practically insoluble or partially soluble in water, leaving or imparting a characteristic smell of the respective volatile oils in water, yielding the aromatic waters such as khash water, the rose water, the Kura water and sandal water. Another aspect is the specific gravity. Mostly volatile oils are lighter than water, and thus they float actually on the water surface. However, there are exceptions to it, and the exception is clove oil. And the clove oil contains 85 to 90% of the eugenol, and because eugenol is heavier than water, and therefore the clove oil is also heavier than water, it will not float actually on water, but it will settle down. Next is the optical properties. Mostly volatile oils are optically active and possess high refractive indexes. Next is odor. Each volatile oil imparts its characteristic odor or fragrance or smell, which is due to the presence of various chemical constituents present in that particular volatile oil, along with their ratio percentage. These chemical constituents are technically called as notes. Usually the odor of volatile oils is agreeable and pleasant. Coming to the color and consistency of the volatile oils. The volatile oils are usually colorless and liquid when fresh. However, on prolonged standing or storage in presence of moisture and air, the volatile oils oxidizes, and after oxidization they are regenified, and they become darker in color. Normally the color is brown, and they become thicker in consistency, and their smell also changes. This whole process is called as resinification. Now, after the resinification, the quality and thus the value of the volatile oil is degraded. After discussing the physical properties, now let us discuss the chemical properties of the volatile oils. And under this chemical properties, we will be discussing the test of the volatile oils. Depending on the dominant chemical group present, volatile oils give the test for aldehyde, ketones, esters, oxides and phenolic groups. Now, as far as the chemical test is concerned, it is performed actually in the crude or natural drug for the presence of volatile oils, and it is tested actually with the reagents such as Sudan 3 or tincture alkana. Now, with these Sudan 3 tincture alkana reagents, the essential oils bearing glands or the cells or the volatile oil globules, they will attain actually the red color. Now, let us come to the occurrence or the availability of the volatile oils. Means volatile oils are present where? Where they are volatile oils present? Volatile oils are mostly available in the plants, that is in the plant kingdom. However, some volatile oils are also found in animal kingdom, and the example of the volatile oils which are found in the animal kingdom is musk, which is obtained actually from musk deer. The musk is rich in a constituent which is called as muscone, which is a ketone volatile oil. The another example of the essential oil which is obtained from the animal kingdom is the civet, and this is obtained actually from the civet cat, that is male civet cat, and it contains a very important constituent, that is civetone. Another example of the volatile oils which is obtained from the animal source is ambergris. This contains important constituent like amberine. Volatile oil is obtained from sperm whale, and it is a pathological product from the intestine of the whale. In plant kingdom, volatile oils are found in few plants of most of the families. However, following plant families are rich in volatile oils. There are certain criteria actually for the families to be called as volatile oil families or families rich in volatile oils. The criteria number 1 is the number of the plants with volatile oils, and number 2 criteria is the percentage yield of the volatile oils, where the number of the plants with volatile oils are more and where the percentage of the volatile oil is more. Now, such families are called as volatile oil families, and the families are Labiatae. Labiatae family is very rich in volatile oils. The examples are mentha, that is pudina, or oshimum, that is tulsi. The another family rich in volatile oil is Rutaceae, and the examples of this family are lemon and orange, that is lemon is nibu and orange is commonly called as santra. The another family rich in volatile oil is Gingiberaceae, and the examples of the plants of the Gingiberaceae are ginger and curcuma. The ginger is adrak and curcuma is haldi. The family Gramineae is also very rich in volatile oils, and the examples of the plants are Cymbopogon citratus, Cymbopogon winterianus and Cymbopogon nardus. Another order of the Gramineae is cypress, which is rich in volatile oils, and the examples are Cypress rotundus and Cypress scariosus. The Umbelliferae family is also rich in volatile oil, and the example of this family are coriander, caraway and fennel. The Myrtaceae is another family which contains volatile oil, and the very important example of this particular family is the plant clove or the drug clove. Similarly, the family Piperaceae and the Lauraceae with examples of Piper nigrum, Piper longum and the cinnamon respectively are the examples of this particular group. Now, let us have a look of the presence of volatile oils from the view of plant part, that in which plant part actually they are rich. So, volatile oils are present nearly in all morphological parts of the plants. For example, in roots it is found in khas and cypress, that is known as nagarmotha. In rhizomes it is found in ginger, in bark it is found in cinnamon, in fruits it is found in caraway, coriander and fennel. Piper nigrum is also a drug where it is found actually in the fruits. Another example is cardamom. Volatile oils are found in the fruit rind also, and the examples of this are lemon and orange, where it is present actually in the rind part. They are also found in seeds, for example, cardamom and bitter almond. In wood also the volatile oils are found, and the very important example of this category is sandalwood. The mentha, lemongrass, ocimum, gaultheria, eucalyptus are the examples where the essential oil is found in leaves. In flowers it is found in rose petals, flowering tops it is found in lavender, that is oil of wintergreen, where the important constituent is methyl salicylate. The volatile oils are found in flowering buds, and the very important example of this category is clove. Now, let us have a look of the essential oil or the volatile oils and their occurrence from the point of view of specialized organs or tissues. For example, volatile oils are found actually in glandular hairs in family Labiatae. They are found in modified parenchyma in family Piperaceae. In oil tubes, which are also called as vitae, they are found actually in umbelliferous family. In lysogenous or schizogenous passages or ducts or glands, they are found in the family Pinaceae. In petals, they are found in family Rosaceae. In barks and leaves, they are found in family Lauraceae. The volatile oils are found in family Rutaceae, and in family Rutaceae they are found in petals, in rind of the fruits and in leaves, and these are the specific morphological parts where the volatile oils present. Now, the volatile oils which are present actually in petals, rind of the fruits and leaves may be same or they may be different. In conifers, volatile oils are present in all parts of the plants or trees. So, friends, today we have discussed certain aspects of volatile oil, that is an important category of the chemical compounds used for various purposes. It is used actually, as we have seen, it is used actually for technical purposes. It is also used actually as a medicine. It is also used in pharmaceuticals. We have learned today the various aspects related to the volatile oils, starting from the introduction of the volatile oils, definition of the volatile oils, the importance of the volatile oils to the human beings and to the producing plants or the trees, the properties of the volatile oil, the occurrence of the volatile oils, how the volatile oils are extracted, there are different methods for the extraction and isolation, and subsequently we have also seen how the different components from the volatile oils are extracted. For example, how the menthol is extracted actually from the mentha oil. Subsequently, we have also studied about the classification of the volatile oils, how they are classified, what are the various bases for the classification, and finally, we have also studied the chemical aspects of the volatile oils. Now, in with this particular background, I think this will be sufficient for you people to understand, to know about the volatile oils. Now, in the subsequent lecture, we will be discussing about the individual drugs of pharmaceutical importance which possess or which contains the volatile oils.